Hello, and welcome to another episode in Gary's Food Review. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Dickey's BBQ Pit. And I got myself a beef and pork taco. And the beef taco has like onions and pickles on it, and the pork one has the same thing, but I add cabbage coleslaw on top. And both the pork and the beef tacos were really good thick pieces of beef in this nice soft tortilla shell taco, and everything is like really good here at the Dickey's BBQ Pit, and really enjoyed both tacos. And yeah, each taco costs like $2.50, so not bad, and the meat's really good, and really enjoyed this place. So overall, on the food taste scale, overall I have to give the beef and the pork tacos both a 9 out of 10. Really good, and definitely recommend you check out Dickey's BBQ Pit. Anyways, this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll catch you all later. Bye bye.